So your company is looking into an SD-WAN solution and you're wondering, hey, which of these 100 or so providers offering SD-WAN should we choose? Well, one of the decision factors you should consider is installation of the SD-WAN appliance at every site. For instance, if your company has a lot of locations and a small IT staff, and your company's always opening up new locations or moving locations, and you don't have a lot of technical expertise on site all the time, it really would be nice if you have an SD-WAN service provider who offers a professional installation for you, where you can pay them to install the SD-WAN appliance at each site, or even better, a service provider that offers a zero-touch installation where someone completely non-technical can simply plug and play the SD-WAN appliance on site and there's no technical configuration required. You really need to think about that as opposed to other SD-WAN solutions where they do, that they're not going to tell you this up front, but when you start digging into the weeds, they're going to say that you will need to have someone technical install this device on site. That could be really problematic, again, if you have a thin IT staff in a lot of locations. If you don't have that, say your company has 2 or 3 locations and you have technical staff at each site, or they never move, then the only installation you have to worry about is the initial installation. And hey, at that point, do we need a professional installation? Would we prefer that as opposed to jumping on airplanes and installing this at the different sites? But make sure you ask that question, because not all providers are the same when it comes to that. And the salespeople will often not tell you these things until you're way later in the process, because they don't want to scare you off if their installation process is not going to fit your needs. But you need to know that up front before you waste time on several appointments and quotes when it's not a good fit right up front. I hope that helps. If you have any questions on SD-WAN, please let me know. There's a lot of other things to consider, too many for this video. Just reach out on email or give me a call. I'm happy to give you my recommendations.